We're just an average family who decided we wanted to live an epic life. Now we've sold everything and are preparing to sail around the world. Todd, Ryan, Abigail, Liberty and Katie, Gabriel, and me. Welcome to our adventure.
Many of you wonder how you repair your boats and stuff, and we're currently in the Boatyard, so today we thought we'd kind of give you a tour of the Boatyard that we're in and how they do their operations and how they charge us for being here. But it's really windy, and so I can't get good audio, so we'll probably do that as some voiceover. This particular Boatyard charges you per foot to pull out of the water, and our boat's 46 feet, so we just multiply their rate by that, and that's how much they charge us to pull out of the water. So our haul out fee basically includes hauling the boat out of the water and returning the boat to the water. With the haul out fee that we pay for our boat includes setting the boat up on the jack stands. It allows them the ability to move the jack stands one time while we're working on the boat. So if we have to paint where a jack stand is actually sitting on the boat, they will move it once for free. Our Boatyard allows us to do work ourselves. Some boatyards actually will not allow you to do the work. It has to be done by a professional. This particular Boatyard has a per day fee, and I think that's probably how most boatyards work. And so we just pay that on a monthly basis. Our particular Boatyard, though it is a do-it-yourself Boatyard, doesn't give us the option of living on the boat while we're doing the work. In fact, we haven't found any boatyards in Texas yet that will allow you to live on board while you do your own work, or any that'll even let you live on board in a boatyard at all. But we hear people doing it all the time, and that would be a great option if you can do that, because you can save a lot more money and you can get your boat done a little faster. Join us now for a tour. We'll show you how it works. Hopefully you get a good idea of what it would be like to actually be working on your boat. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, this information. Feel free to subscribe. That's always awesome. We love it when people subscribe. And also leave some comments down below in the comments section.
This is where it all begins. Making sure that it's deep enough that you can get into the boat slip where they pick your boat up and haul you out of the water. They'll place the slings in specific areas. Your boat should tell you where those areas are so that it will be lifted safely. Then you get the opportunity to power wash the boat. You can pay them to do it, or in our case, we had a discounted rate for doing it ourselves. Then you get placed in the yard. These are the stands that will be used to hold up your boat. And in our case, we've got chains going from each one that pull them towards the boat to keep it there. You'll be responsible for having your own ladder to get on and off your boat. Some boatyards provide steps, ours doesn't. So we have water and electricity, and you'll need your own hoses and power cords. So there's lots of different kinds of boats in a boatyard. We have sailboats and power boats, all kinds. And it's interesting to talk to different people. So as far as bathroom facilities go, ours does not have good bathroom facilities, but we're next to a public marina that has bathrooms. We make sure to lock our boat each time we leave and lock up our ladders, and we have a board that we use kind of as makeshift scaffolding, and we lock that up too because things tend to wander off. We haven't had anything wander too far, but if it's not attached and locked up, it has a tendency to be used by other people. So this boat's going back in the water. They're pulling it back up into the slings, making sure that all the things that are holding it up are out of the way before they move the boat again. And this is what it looks like when they're gone.